weather is in the Kimball County area and KIMBN Network Blogspot is on top of it. From the Kimball Storm Center, this is a breaking weather update protected by State Farm Insurance. Visit them at 229 South Chestnut Street in downtown Kimball. Here is the special weather report. Special weather report. Severe Thunderstorm Watch 639 is in effect until 9 p.m. tonight for the following locations. Nebraska counties included are Banner, Box Butte, Cheyenne, Dawes, Kimball, Morrill, Scotts Bluff, and Sioux. Here are ways to stay safe now. Unplug electronic equipment. Power surges from lightning can damage computers, monitors, and TVs, and cause sparks that might start a fire. If it's safe, bring in outdoor furniture and other items that could blow away. These may become a hazard. Stay inside a building or car that's not a convertible. Rubber tires won't protect you from lightning, so avoid touching metal inside the car. Close windows, shutters, blinds, shades, and curtains. This will help keep out wind, rain, and broken glass. Make sure outside doors are securely closed. This will help keep out wind and rain. A severe thunderstorm watch continues until 9 p.m. tonight. Stay tuned for additional updates. This significant weather update is protected by Joe Mejia of State Farm Insurance of Kimball Insurance, located at 229 South Chestnut Street in downtown Kimball.
No. I can't handle this.
Great handle takes some practice.
Jewel Lloyd.
The key is balance and anticipation, so no one can steal.
Someone did steal.
Oh. Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there.
Hey, State Farm's here to help.
We should watch the game. Oh, right.
Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there.
Contact Joe Mejia of State Farm at 308-230-2200. You can also visit Joe Mejia Insurance Agency Incorporated online at kimballinsurance.net. Open hours are Tuesday through Thursday from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. and closed Friday through Monday. Also open evenings and Saturdays by appointment. We are located at 229 South Chestnut Street in downtown Kimball next to H&R Block.